Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first day coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. You are the right person. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the video you watch. Share the link for others to see. And then again, our Instagram is Austin Global Skincare Nigeria. Also Facebook, the same thing. Don't forget, please follow us on Instagram. And a quick one, for those of us who have this, green vein, stretch mark, white patches that is really troubling us. I told you that I have a powerful all-in-one crude Kenacol. Is Dubai crude Kenacol. I'll be telling you guys, Dubai crude Kenacol. Not all these crude Kenacol for that place, so I don't want to call name. Dubai crude Kenacol. All over, it's just that some persons don't want us to be sharing photos, I think I've got into trouble about that, so I don't want to talk about it. This thing, and it has a tendency of reducing your stretch mark, no matter how giant they are, no matter how long they are. Your white patches, your green veins, your varicose veins, this is all in one. That is why it's expensive, but it will remove everything in 1 week to 2 weeks. Your stretch mark will fade, your green vein will disappear. Trust me, you hear me? You might be considering, should I buy from him or not? Why not? Give it a try. Give it a try. You have my number with you. Give it a try and you'll see the wonderful deed about this Dubai crude Kenacol. We have different type of crude Kenacol. We have Kenacol, Kenacol. We have this our Kenacol, and this special crude Kenacol. This is Dubai crude Kenacol, and we have the oil also, crude Kenacol oil. So I will advise you to go for this now as much as possible you can, because time will wait for nobody. The stretch mark will be just there, expanding. The green vein will be just there, expanding. No matter it is, if it's caused by birth, or by pregnancy, or by stress, or by some lack of minerals, vitamins in your body, this got it all. It got it all. I want to just to make you understand that a lot of people have gotten it, and testimonies everywhere, not even only in Nigeria, but everywhere in the world, different part of the world. So place your order right now as you hear my voice. And I tell you again, if you want to buy any other skincare items like recipes, you want to buy recipes, organic recipe for your whitening lotion, for your whitening soap, or your glowing soap, your glowing oil, whitening oil, you want to have all these gotten, you can always contact us, anywhere you are, name it, whether in US, Canada, UK, Europe, an Asia country, a neighboring country within us, just name it, or within the country, Nigeria. I tell you, talk about that. No fair, so say I speak small Igbo because I they bring the thing down just for my local people, because they complain a lot. As you see them, they complain like Igbo don't kill them one time, but now they hear English again. So now the thing be that, okay? So talk, just make sure you place your order. Even you where you they hate, no hate, place your order. Even you where you trip, no trip too much, place your order. Just do the right thing. I say stretch mark must go, white patches must go, Talk. So place your order now. Bye bye.